Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of generative AI, drawing insights from the brilliant Mirella Lapata. If you're curious about how AI can create new content, buckle up. We're about to explore what makes this technology tick and why it's such a game changer. Generative AI isn't your typical AI. Unlike traditional AI that classifies or predicts based on existing data, generative AI goes a step further. It learns patterns and structures within data to generate new, original content. Think of it as an artist who learns through observation and then creates unique pieces of art. This tech can generate text, images, videos, music, and even virtual reality environments. Now let's talk about Mirella Lapata. She's a professor of natural language processing at the University of Edinburgh and a leading figure in the world of AI. Lapata's work focuses on making computers understand and generate human language. In her recent lecture, hosted by the Royal Institution and the Alan Turing Institute, she breaks down the complexities of generative AI. Lapata's insights are invaluable. She explains that generative AI mimics human creativity and expression, which is no small feat. This technology is still evolving, but its potential is enormous. From creating realistic images to composing original music, generative AI is pushing boundaries and redefining what computers can do. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The ability to generate human-like content raises important questions about authenticity, ownership, and ethics. Lapata emphasizes the need to understand both the capabilities and limitations of this technology. As generative AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, it's crucial to navigate these challenges thoughtfully. Beyond the lecture, there's a wealth of content to explore. For instance, the Turing Lecture by Mike Wooldridge offers a glimpse into the future of this technology. Discussions about AI's applications in critical domains like autopilot systems further deepen our understanding. And let's not forget the ongoing debate about AI's impact on our society. It's a hot topic with differing opinions, making it all the more important to stay informed. So what's the takeaway here? Generative AI is revolutionizing how we create and interact with content. It's a powerful tool with vast potential, but it also comes with significant responsibilities. As we continue to explore and develop this technology, voices like Mirella Lapata's will guide us in navigating its complexities and ethical implications. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of technology. Catch you in the next one.